Hey, ciao! Ciao, baby. That's just a little toy. What are you, crazy? Why? But why do I have to say that? Hey, ciao! Welcome to my show. I'm Chef Carmelo, and today I'm going to show you 2 dinners. A quick one called Working Mama Pasta, and the second one, she wants to make something for her husband while he's coming home from work. We'll call her Pappardelle Amatriciana, okay? So, Peter, what's next?
This is our feel-good segment for all you people stuck in the house for the next 3 months, it looks like.
Okay, so what we're gonna do next is to make some people laugh and have a good time and let them forget a little bit about what's going on in the outside, okay? And maybe we might sing a little Italian song, Volare. Peter, you know that song, Volare?
Not really.
Yeah, Domenico Modugno used to sing it way back. You know how it goes. Volare, oh, e cantare, oh, nel blu, dipinto di blu,
You lost me.
felice di stare lassù. E volavo,
felice più in alto del sole ed ancora più su, mentre il mondo pian piano spariva lontano laggiù. Una musica dolce suonava soltanto per me. Volare, oh,
e cantare, oh, nel blu, dipinto di blu, felice di stare lassù. Okay, let me get the onion first, okay? Well, I will take a few slices, that's all you need. I diced it a little bit, okay? Put it back in the bowl. Add 1 clove of garlic. Chop it. This is all done. Okay. Next, we're gonna put the tomato. My favorite tomato is San Marzano. That's the best sweet tomato. I'm gonna blend a little bit. Make a puree. That's it. Put the gas on. Let it get sauteed there. While this is getting hot, we're gonna put the ziti in, the rigatoni in. Okay. Saute a little bit, let it get a little baked, a little brown before you put the sauce in. Okay? Put the sauce. A little salt with red pepper, a little oregano, and this goes a little basil. Put some basil on, and I'll stir it. Five more minutes, the pasta will be ready and ready to eat. Okay, let me taste it, see if it's ready. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Put this away. Peter, go clean some dishes. All right, now I will put some basil, just for a nice look. It's nice. Oh, that smell of basil makes you more hungry than you are. Ah, nice. Any spoons? I know, we forgot to get, we should get them already. Okay, Peter, go get some silverware so we could eat, okay? Let's enjoy it, and then we'll go on with the rest of the meal. Thank you. That's a really mama dish, huh?
Yeah, really good. Hey, cameraman, you gonna have some? You see, I like to eat.
Buonissima. I want to say hello to my friend Bobby in Boston. I wish he was here so he could taste this because he enjoys fresh sauce with the basil and down this way. We always talk about it when we're on vacation together. I always love fresh pasta, fresh sauce. Bobby, I wish you were here, but one of these days I'll come down and make it for you.
Salute. We need some wine.
Peter, go in the bar and go get the bottle of wine, a couple of glasses, and we'll have some. Go ahead. Don't be afraid.
Absolutely. This segment, we're going to do something called the fan mail. Carl.
Okay, we have a couple of them respond already. And it says, her name is Hensa Solson, Riverdale, Bronx. Hello, Carmelo. Love the show. I was wondering if your assistant Peter is available. I'm asking because I don't see a ring on his finger. God see it. And then the next film.
And yeah, I'm divorced. I'm not married. I got a beautiful 13-year-old boy out of the marriage. Yes, I'm single.
The next one is Arek Joe from Silverdale, Oklahoma. This has been so much fun to watch. I love the bloppers. Is Pete coming to Oklahoma soon? I really want him to meet my tigers and maybe go on a date. Joe knows it's the ropes. Peter.
I don't know what to say about that, but no, we're not going to Oklahoma anytime soon. We're in Connecticut. I'm not getting on no airplane during this time.
Hey, Peter.
Yeah.
If there was no virus situation, would you go on a plane and see this guy?
No, I got to take care of my 13-year-old boy.
Okay.
I got to be there for him.
But what about the girl? What about Ansa?
I'm here in Connecticut.
Okay. You hear that, Ansa? So come down to Connecticut, see Peter, okay? Ciao. I'm going to make a nice dish, Pappardelle Amatriciana. I want to surprise, she wanted to surprise her husband because when they go out and he orders there in the restaurants, fettuccine matriciana. But tonight, I'm going to surprise him with pappardelle, okay? All right, let's start. Going to put some oil in a pan. All right, let it get a little bit warm. I will cut this time the onions. I'm not gonna square. I'm not gonna dice it. You're gonna go a little longer for the matriciana. Okay, there we go. Just cut it in half like this and put it in a pan like this. Okay. Now I get a clove of garlic. Do the same thing. On this one, we have to put capers. I will cut some giant tomato. Let it fry, okay? Let this get a little bit saute brown, right? Now we're gonna put a little butter. I would say about a tablespoon of butter. Stir a little bit. All right, next from here down, what I do, I put some sauce before, oh, I'm sorry, some parsley. Put it away. Put a little crushed red pepper. Very little oregano. Little black pepper. Okay. I'll put some drop of wine. And now I'm gonna add on the sauce. The sauce seems ready. Everything is okay. Beautiful. Look at that. There you go. Now, let's see how we're doing with the pasta. Let's look at the pappardelle, huh? It's hot. We'll put a little bit of here. Bit here, and the rest is here. There. Okay, we'll put this away with some cheese. There you go. Pappardelle Amatriciana. Enjoy. I hope you like it.
I guess all right.
Don't say all right. Say it's delicious.
It's delicious.
Wait a Peter.
It's delicious.
That's correct. Okay, that will do for tonight dinner. I want to say goodnight to a very special friend of mine in Boston, Bobby Luciano, and his wife Donna, because they love food, and she's a good cook. So, hi, Bobby. Okay, I'll see you next week. Next week, we're going to show you zuppa de pesce. Okay, how zuppa de pesce is made. Okay, so until then, ciao.
We'll see you, a couple of friends, a couple fans.
Poi d'improvviso venivo dal vento
The dinner was
rapito
good, Carl.
e incominciavo a volare nel cielo infinito. Volare, oh, cantare, oh, nel blu dipinto di blu, felice di stare lassù. E volavo, volavo felice più in alto del sole ed ancora più su, mentre il mondo pian piano spariva lontano laggiù. Una musica dolce suonava soltanto per me. Volare, oh, cantare,
oh, oh, nel blu dipinto di blu,
dipinto di
felice di stare lassù.
di stare
E volavo, volavo, felice più in alto del sole, l'ancora più giù, mentre il mondo pian piano spariva lontano laggiù. Una musica dolce volava soltanto per me. Volare, e cantare nel blu dipinto di blu, felice di stare lassù con te.